bit of the hairspray. Hello! Today I'm gonna test my DryBar Double Shot hair dryer. I just did my makeup and I'm gonna style my hair. So let's see guys how it's gonna work out. I purchased this hair dryer on VIB sale Sephora, just the recent one, 20% off. So glad that I got this deal, and that's what I'm gonna do. This is the packaging, so it's still brand new. You can see I didn't even remove from the package. So let me remove from the package. It's very comfortable to hold. So far, I completely love the setting. It's very small buttons, so it's very comfortable to hold right in the middle, because quite often some other company, they put buttons right there on the handle, and you know, you can press on and off while you style your hair. So these buttons, they're right here. So what I did on my wet hair, I applied cheap product. I absolutely love this product for styling because you know, my hair, they're quite frizzy. And this product makes my hair more soft and less frizzy. So let me brush my hair completely and we're gonna style. I'm gonna take small sections right at the back and see what is the performance of this hair dryer. So far I can say that it's very easy to use, and the hair is really smooth. I wouldn't say that it's completely removed frizziness, but let's continue. I love it. So this is right in the middle. I obviously have slight frizziness, but I have to apply some product to you know, combat this frizz. So let's continue. I would say right now my hair 90% dry. There is slight moisture in my hair, but I would say from the beginning till end right now it's about 15 minutes. It's very good timing, let me tell you. It's very good timing, and my hair feels very soft and smooth. Let me apply a little bit of frizz control product, and this is the leave-in proof. Just a little bit on my tips, and usually what I do, I just go through my hair just slightly like that. Mostly I'm trying to concentrate on the lower parts, because that's where my hair mostly dry and where I need to control my frizz. I would say it's actually pretty good. I can just style a little bit more, you know, because I have lots of hair. So now a little bit of the hairspray. have a little bit of frizz, but not as much in my hair. And I think, keeping in mind that it's about 15 minutes, it's actually pretty good. I like it. I really do. I really do, guys. So what do you think? I want you to put comments. So this is the final result. I think it's pretty good. So my verdict for this dryer, it's actually pretty good. I like it so very much. And if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate, put your questions and comment below. There is only two, I would say, temperatures, colder and really high temperatures. So which is okay. It would have been nicer to have more options, but I really like it that the handle doesn't have any buttons. So it's easier to hold, it's easier to style, and I have lots of hair. It's not as easy for me to style my hair. Absolutely love it, highly recommend. And this is my second product from the DryBar. I have also Crush brush. It's very nice brush, but that one is more on a dry hair, if you want to style on a dry hair. This one, obviously, it's a hair dryer and the brush. Highly recommend, guys, if you're thinking. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.